Welcome to Millionaire DP, a place where future millionaires come to gain knowledge and get motivated through ours millions of story. Hello, and welcome back to another amazing video. Today we are looking into the life of the most famous Bill Gates. Founded Microsoft in 1975. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. William Henry Gates III, born on October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. Bill Gates takes admission in Harvard University, but in 1975 he dropped out from university. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation, along with his late childhood friend Paul Allen. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, President, and Chief Software Architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. He is considered one of the best-known entrepreneurs of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. Gates was born and raised in Seattle, Washington. In 1975, he and Allen founded Microsoft in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It became the world's largest personal computer software company. With a net worth of $82.2 billion, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates is the richest man in America. It shouldn't be too surprising that one of the wealthiest people in the world also has an insanely extravagant home. It took Gates 7 years and $63 million to build his Medina, Washington, estate, named Xanadu 2.0 after the fictional home of Charles Foster Kane, the title character of Citizen Kane. At 66,000 square feet, the home is absolutely massive, and it's loaded to the brim with high-tech details. Xanadu 2.0 is an earth-sheltered house, meaning that it's built into its surroundings to regulate temperature more efficiently. The artwork on walls can be changed with just the touch of a button. Situated around the house are $80,000 worth of computer screens. Anyone can make the screens display their favorite paintings or photographs, which are stored on devices worth $150,000. The 60-foot pool is in its own separate, 3,900 square foot building, the large brown building in the photo above. People in the pool could swim underneath a glass wall to come up to a terrace area on the outside. There's also a locker room with 4 showers and 2 baths. No word on how big the trampoline is, but we can imagine it would be a fun alternative to your standard exercise routine. The exercise facilities total 2,500 square feet and also include a sauna, steam room, and separate men's and women's locker rooms. The 2,100 square foot library has a dome roof and 2 secret bookcases, including one that reveals a hidden bar. On the ceiling you'll find a quote from The Great Gatsby that reads, "He had come a long way to this blue lawn, and his dream must have seemed so close that he could hardly fail to grasp it." The library is also home to the Codex Leicester, a 16th-century Leonardo da Vinci manuscript that Gates bought at auction for $30.8 million in 1994. He reportedly became fond of a 40-year-old maple tree that grew close to the home's driveway. It's monitored by computer, and if at any point it becomes too dry, water is automatically pumped into it. There are several different garages at different points around the property. The most interesting one, however, is an underground cave made out of concrete and stainless steel. That garage alone can park 10 cars. Some of the concrete was purposely broken to give it a rough, deconstructivist look. The lakefront shore contains sand that's delivered in large quantities by a barge from St. Lucia each year. The 2,300 square foot hall could seat up to 150 people for a dinner party, or 200 people standing up at a cocktail event. A 6-foot wide limestone fireplace dominates one wall, while another wall has a 22-foot wide video screen. With a net worth of more than $100 billion, Bill Gates can afford any car he wants. The garage at his mansion can house 23 cars. But still his collection is relatively modest. He does have a Porsche car collection, including several Porsche. Still his collection is modest. Porsche 911, the first car on our list, is a 1979 Porsche 911. Bill Gates doesn't own this car, as of now, because it was auctioned in Austria in 2012 for $80,000. Porsche 959 Sports, another Porsche from Bill Gates' cars. This was among the most technologically advanced car in the world in the 80s. This had a powerful twin-turbo flat-six engine under the hood that generated 444 HP and 500 Nm with a price tag of $2 million. Ferrari 348, old but gold. Ferrari 348 is another car among Bill Gates' cars which we definitely need to mention. Gates traveled by this car in the sands, so much so that it became popular as the Dune Buggy. This was another limited edition car, where only 8,000 units were produced between 1989 to 1995. It cost around $1.5 million. Porsche Taycan. While the world is switching to electric, Bill Gates has done that in style too. He owns a Porsche Taycan which is all electric, and was showcased at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2015. The Taycan Turbo has a price tag almost double what the Tesla Model S holds. You would need to spend around $150,000 if you want to own this car. Ford Focus. Surprising but true. Not everyone likes to drive fast sports cars every day to work, right? Bill Gates also owns a Focus and used to travel it to work in 2018 during his last days at Microsoft. Ford Focus is a good car and has also got decent sales in the markets it exists in. It cost around $44,690. Bombardier BD700 Global Express. We know we were supposed to talk about Bill Gates' cars, but we couldn't control ourselves from listing down this $40 million worth private plane which is capable of seating 19 people at once and is definitely a thing that can be owned by the riches only. Bill Gates has got another one in his garage. The Gulfstream G650 private jet is worth $65 million, and Gates owns two of them. Known as the Rolls-Royce of jet engines, we don't think we need to tell you more about how luxurious and powerful this bird is. This was a peek into Bill Gates' cars and of course his private jets. Do let us know in the comments section below which one do you like the most, and which would be the most painful one to let go for you. Going on a cruise is indeed a one-of-a-kind experience, and when you are the second richest man in the world, a simple cruise trip across the ocean just wouldn't cut it. This is probably the reason why Microsoft founder Bill Gates has bought a $664 million hydrogen-powered super yacht. The billionaire Bill Gates has commissioned the Aquaship, a 112-meter, 370 feet luxury vessel completely powered by liquid hydrogen, which was publicized last year at the Monaco Yacht Show by the Dutch design firm Sinet. The yacht has 5 decks and space to accommodate 14 guests and 31 crew members. The boat is eco-friendly as it comes with gel-fueled fire bowls, which completely eliminates the need for the guests to light up wood or start a fire to stay warm. In terms of speed and mobility, the yacht is one cutting-edge piece of tech. In fact, the boat has the potential to reach about 20 miles per hour of speed and travel 3,750 miles, which is the same distance from London to New York. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this one. Leave us a like, we always appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.